Gross motor skills is one of the motor skills for a kid which we should look out and which we should look after for their development. Why? Because it involves our kids' arms and leg muscles. Here, for improving, we can introduce many activities like walking, jumping, running, kicking, throwing, or lifting any objects. So basically, what we need to do is we have to look out for kids' body and mind awareness and their reaction, which is very important. And this all helps them out to increase their balance and their strength. So today's in this video I'll be sharing with you few activities which I have been following with my kid for her gross motor skills development. In these videos you can see all these activities which we are doing either through any kind of obstacle exercises. You can do any kind of Simon Says activity. You can also play with them along with balloons or any kind of bubbles. So just ask them to toss, or just like this kind of jumping from one place to another place, or any climbing of any sand hills, or climbing up any kind of household items, which is they just create an obstacle for the different kind of chairs and different kind of sofas. So ask them to get up, get down, like this kind of simple activities. Also you can also ask your kid to have any kind of bicycling activities, that will also encourage. While doing all these activities you should encourage your kid. So here in this activity what we have kept it few obstacles. If you don't have this kind of hurdles, you can use your household items also, like you can keep any bottles, you can keep any household jars in from our kitchen, you can take, and you can ask your kid to go as a zigzag line, kind of like in between of this obstacles they have to go. So this helps them out for their mind and body awareness, balancing. It will help them out to coordinate between their legs and their mind. While doing this, you can also ask them to carry certain colorful objects. Like here I am using cones, you can use any kind of their toys. You can place in one part of the game, and then you can ask them that carry your yellow toy along with you, and then you pass it to me. If your hurdles, the obstacles which you are using, if they can jump over there, that activity also you can do, how we are doing over here. So while doing any of the activity, you should encourage your kid, like how we are supporting, we are making them understand that what exactly they should do. If you are doing along with them, they will also get more motivated, and they will do the exercises, they will do all this kind of physical activities there, all these fun activities, and they will enjoy as well. Also they will do. While doing this activity, what you can do is, of the same color objects you can put in two different positions from point A to point B when they have to come. So you can ask them to join to make a pair of the same colors. So they are also improving their academic skills, and they are also improving their coordination, hand and eye coordination, and their motor skills, their gross motor skills. Now in this activity we have drawn a shape, a circle shape, and we have asked our kid that she have to walk over it. So either they are walking like two legs apart of that, or they are walking over there. Let them explore their own way however they want to do it. And with this kind of activities, what it will help out is, it will help them first to understand how the circle has been made. In the same way you can use different kind of shapes for identifying the shapes and introduction of the shapes. You can use it for circles, triangle, rectangle, like this kind of. If you don't have this much of space, not to worry, you can make a smaller circle with the help of chalk. At your home you can make. Second is, you can make this kind of zigzag line, and this zigzag line, when you are making a triangle kind of shape or any kind of zigzag line, and you have to ask them to walk over that line. So they should walk without moving here and there. So this will help them out to understand their body awareness. It will help them for their mind balancing, and also their concentration level also will increase, so which is very important for the toddlers. And this activities you can also do at your home. If you don't have this facility of going out or in your terrace, what you can do is, you can take a chalk, you can take a marker, and you can create this kind of shapes, different kind of shapes, different kind of patterns you can make. However, whatever pattern you want to make, you can also use the help of the tapes also you can use. So like here we are doing with the different kind of shapes, like zigzag we have done, now we have done like this kind of swirls we have kept, and then we are asking the kid to walk over there. Second thing is, what you can do is, first you will start with this kind of line pattern. That means first you start with this line, then gradually go for different kind of shapes. So then second thing, they are aware of different kind of shapes. Suppose first the line, second the circles or different kind of shapes, third is individually the zigzag line or this kind of swirls, and fourth step is then you combine all together and then you ask your kid to follow. So this walking, this they are also increasing, you are helping them to improve their gross motor skills, also their understanding, their mind balancing is also increasing. So this is very important. So this is what activity we are doing it. Third thing is, you can also use this different activities. Suppose you are putting any a b c d kind of things and then you are asking them to jump over a certain alphabet, that also will help them out for their gross motor skills. So these are the few activities which you can take care of, and you can improve the different kind of gross motor skills in your kid. In my future videos I'll also upload few other activities when I'll be doing along with my kid. So basic is, draw any kind of like any kind of shapes, any kind of zigzag lines, any kind of sort of lines you draw, and you ask your kid to walk over there. This is very important. You can do any kind of blocks also. So I hope you have liked my this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and we'll meet up in our next Saturday with a new activity, with a new motor skills activity. Let's see. So enjoy, happy parenting and happy weekend.